Welcome to a community designed with your wellness in mind. Welcome to Jubilee, the joyful neighborhood. As you journey through our grand entrance off Highway 290, you'll witness the charm of our first phase. Our intentional lot design ensures you're never far from the elements that enhance your well-being. Open spaces, pedestrian trails, and wellness zones are seamlessly woven into the fabric of every neighborhood. Let's explore the essence of Jubilee's wellness zones, each intentionally designed to help bring balance to your life. Nestled by a tranquil waterway off the main corridor, our first exploration zone is more than just a picturesque setting. It's an invitation to reconnect with nature and immerse yourself in the environment. Journeying onward, we come to a reflection zone, a serene retreat where you can pause and reflect. It's a place for deep breaths, quiet contemplation, and a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Next, we arrive at our first inspiration zone, a vibrant hub of activity and play. This playground is an ideal spot for igniting creativity and rejuvenating your spirit. Just a short walk away, you'll reach the connection zone, a welcoming space for you to gather with loved ones, meet new friends, and nurture meaningful relationships. Together, these elements lead you to Jubilee's model home haven, where 8 top-tier builders have created show homes that perfectly complement the balance and joy you'll find in our community. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more on Jubilee, a community where wellness and joy intertwine, offering you a life that's truly exceptional.